Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into how to make your X Twitter account private in 2025. With all the buzz around online privacy, this is a must-know trick to keep your tweets away from prying eyes. Whether you're new to X or just want a quick refresh, this guide is straightforward and takes less than a minute. Let's jump right in. First things first, open the X app on your phone or head to twitter.com on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, tap on your profile icon in the top left or right corner, depending on your device. This will bring up a menu. Select Settings and Privacy from the options. Now, in the Settings menu, scroll down to the Privacy and Safety section. It's usually easy to find, but if X has updated its interface by 2025, look for anything related to audience or visibility. Here, you'll see an option called Protect Your Tweets or something similar. Simply toggle that switch to turn it on. This makes your account private, meaning only people you approve can see your posts. After toggling it, hit Save or Confirm to apply the changes. You might be asked to enter your password for security. Go ahead and do that. And just like that, your account is now private. A quick tip. Once it's private, review your follower requests regularly to manage who gets access. This helps keep your feed exclusive and secure. If you're worried about missing out on interactions, remember you can always switch back if needed. There you have it. Your X Twitter account is now locked down and private. This simple step can protect your personal info in 2025's digital world. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.